If you are using any phone with AMOLED display, you might be familiar with always on display feature. In this video, we will be telling about how to set your own photo in always on display. First of all, if we are telling about always on display, when you are locking your phone with OLED panel, you can see some animations. For example, I have locked my phone. Here you can see one animation. If you want, you can set this as your photo. In this video, we will be telling about that. For that, first what we need to do is open your smartphone. Then go to your phone settings. After going to your phone settings, search for always on display. When you are searching for always, you can see always on display option. In Realme phones, this settings is under home screen, lock screen and always on display. Anyways, click on this always on display. When you are clicking on that, you will reach always on display settings. Here sometimes this always on display option will be turned off. In that case, what you need to do is you need to turn on this always on display option. Here if you want, you can customize this. Here down you can see custom patterns. You can select any patterns from here, or if you want to set only text, you can do that also. Here text and image option is there, and like that analog clock option is also there. If you want to set that, you can do that, and digital clock option is also there. You can set that also. But in this video, we will be telling about setting your own photo as always on display. For that, above you can see one plus button. Click on this plus button. When you are clicking on that, you can see some options. Here you can see one option, text and image. Click on text and image. When you are clicking on that, you will reach your gallery. From gallery, select the photo which you want to set in always on display. For example, I am selecting this image. After that, if you want to crop or adjust this image, you can do that. After that, if you want to add text, you can add text. Here option to add text is there. Enter text option is there. If you want to add text, type anything you want to add. For example, I have typed hi. After that, if you want to change text color, you can do that. Or if you want to change alignment, you can do that. Text size option is there. Text weight option is also there. You can adjust that according to your need. After that, down here you can see image blur option. If you want to blur this image, you can do that. And rounded corners option is also there. If you want to round corners, you can do that also. And here one more option is there, info. If you want to add time, date, battery and notifications etc., you can add. These are already there. If you want to remove anything, just click on that and it will be removed. Anyways, I am selecting everything. After that, here you can see apply option. Click on apply. When you are clicking on that, this always on display style will be added here. Now this always on display is set. After that, again I am locking my phone. Now here you can see that photo. So this way you can set your own photo in always on display. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.